Good morning, children. So today I'm just starting you the next chapter, fractions, decimals, and rational numbers. So this is our second chapter in our textbook, Amma. So I'm just explaining you today only the basics which you have learnt already in fifth class or sixth class. Continuation basics once we discuss, then we move on to the seventh class concepts. So just listen. So first one, in a fraction, if you see the fraction, how a fraction will be, like for example, if you take this is example 1 by 2. So numerator part by denominator part. So numerator by denominator. So always we will write here numerator part is on top. So this has like 1 and denominator will be in the below. So the numerator. Actually, what is a fraction? A fraction is nothing but a part of the whole. So something like if you are eating an apple, when your mother cuts an apple into 4 pieces, you are eating one piece of the apple. So that one piece out of 4 pieces is denoted as 1 by 4. That means in mathematically, that apple has divided into 4 pieces. So that denominator will tell you that how many equal parts are there in total. So that is what the question is given. So 4 apple divided into 4 pieces. So how many pieces you ate? One piece. So 1 by 4. How many equal parts are described? So here 1 by 4. So fraction is nothing but a part of the whole. A part of the whole. So like for example, if I write 2 by 3. So out of 3 parts, you are taking 2 parts. Just like again take the example of apple is otherwise a pizza, a round shaped one. When you are cutting into 6 pieces and you are eating 2 pieces. That means what is the fractional part of the pizza which is eaten by you? 2 by 6. So 2 denotes that how many pieces you ate, and 6 denotes how many pieces are there totally. Now, so that is our fraction. You can see here parts of the whole. Whole means one complete thing. Whole, W-H-O-L-E, whole. It is not H-O-L-E, whole. So whole is different. Whole means like randram, okay, and whole means total. So one whole pizza equals to all 6 slices. So 6 by 6 parts. If you eat 6 parts means 6 by 6, that is nothing but 1. So now we'll go for writing the whole, that means 1. How can we write as a fraction? 6 by 6, 6 equal parts, 6 equal parts, 6 by 6. Like the same way you can observe a few more examples. The top number and the bottom number are same, then it is called as one whole. 4 by 4, 5 by 5, 8 by 8. Same thing examples I gave you. Like the same way, I am giving you a small task. Give me some more fraction that is equals to 1 whole. So you write by your own, 2 by 2, 3 by 3, minus 60 by minus 60. Like even negative numbers also can be added. But both numerator and denominator must be equal. That you please observe, children. So in this video only I am telling you what are the exercise problems, worksheet problems that you have to write. So this is the first one. Give me some more fractions that is equals to 1 whole. Next, parts of whole. So here I told you already, in the right side figure you see here, the total 6 are there. Out of that 4 colored as blue. That I am writing it as 4 by 6. Now down you see here, 4 boxes are there. Out of the 4 boxes, one box is colored as red. That means it is 1 by 4. Now the question is given to you that how much pizza is there? How much pizza is there? How much pizza you ate is not the question. How much pizza is there is the question. If you see here, totally how many pieces are there? 6 pieces are there. By seeing this, you can understand that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 is not there, but you have to understand that is also there. So totally 6 pieces are there. That means denominator is 6. Now how much pizza is there in the sense how much is left over in the first one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 by 6. So second one you write by your own. Here how many pieces it has cut. Check out. And then how much is left over you write. So this is one more work. Children, you should do after this class these sums on a paper and you show me. Send me WhatsApp group. Now observe, this is the question. All of these are length concepts only. Fractions. Whole. If you take the first blue color, 1 by 1 because 1 full. Next house, 2 equal parts which is in green color. Next 3 equal parts. Next 4 equal parts. Next 5 equal parts. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Like this, how many parts we are dividing equally, that will be in denominator. How many each part will be 1 by 10. If it is 2 parts, for example, if you take the blue color last tens, first one is 1 by 10, second one is 2 by 10, third one is 3 by 10. Like this you can write it. So now parts of whole. So you can see here, first part is how much? Shaded part. Good. Totally 4 parts are there, 1 part is shaded, so 1 by 4. Second one is 2 parts are there, 1 part is shaded, so 1 by 2. Now third one I am leaving to you. You write by your own. Now this is another question. Write a fraction for the part of each flag that is red, which is in red color. So first one Italy, if you take here, total how many are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 parts are there. Are green, white, red. So question is, what is the fraction part of red? So red is 1 part only. Total how many parts are there? 3 parts are there. So 1 by 3. Like this, second question. Third question you may get doubt here. Taiwan. Taiwan here totally 4 parts you have to understand that here, and 3 parts are colored as red, so 3 by 4. So children, you try the remaining sums. Okay, Austria, Germany and Spain also. These sums are like good sums. Please try to complete this. Next, draw the model to show each fraction. Now it is 3 by 10. For example, 3 by 10. You should do by your own. So what to do here? 10 equal parts you will divide it, and out of the 3 parts you color it. So can be equal parts like even circle, square, anything, like any shape if you want. All shapes must be equal shapes. After the 3 parts must be colored. The same way 4 by 8. 8 parts equal parts, 4 must be colored. 1 by 6. 6 equal parts, 1 part must be colored. You please complete this sum also, children. Now parts of a set. This is one more question to you. What is the total number of fruits? Total how many fruits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 bananas, 2 green apple, 1 orange. So question you try to understand here. This will be your denominator. What will be your denominator? 6 will be your denominator because total 6 fruits are there. What fraction of this set are bananas? So how many bananas are there? 3 bananas are there. How many total fruits are there? 6 are there. So 3 by 6. What fraction of this set are oranges? Leaving to you. What fraction of this set are apples? I am leaving to you. So complete this question. Now what fraction of each set is blue? So I am just giving you one more thing again, question. Now, so here first question I am explaining you. 4 are in blue color, 2 are in normal color. So what is the fraction here? Total how many equal parts are there? 6 are there. So denominator is 6. Upper part is colors are blue because what fraction is the blue is a question. So 4 by 6. Like this, second question. Third question, understand here, all are blue color. So you think. Fourth question, only 3 are there, no blue color at all. So what is the answer? 0, because no blue color is there. By how many equal parts you write? 3 you can write. Or you can write 4, no problem, because anything is answer is 0. So 0 by anything gives as 0. That already you learned in 5th class, 6th class only. So 0 by 3 you can write, 0 by 4 you can write, because when you are considering blue color is not there. So 0 by 4 or 0 by 3. Blue is not there, simply it is 0 is the answer. So draw a picture to show the fraction 3 by 5 as a parts of set. Now 3 by 5. So take 5 equal parts, triangles, rectangles, squares, stars, your own wish. Take the 5, 3 are colored. So children, once if you do this worksheet or these sums by your own, I can understand that you have a basic idea. Okay, then I'll go with the 7th class main concepts. If 1 by 3 of a set is apples, what part is not apples? So this is 1 by 3 is a set of apples, because you can understand here total 3 fruits are there. 1 by 3 question is given. Now you can ask that, sorry, as you said that all are equal parts, so all are equal shapes, but here I am taking as a group, 3 parts, 3 group, 3 elements are there, like apple to pears. So 1 by 3. What part is not apples? Not apples means how many are there not apples are there here? Totally 2 are not there. So 2 by 3 is the answer. Okay children, you place I just write simply. I will send you these screenshots to you all. That is only questions, you take it as write 1 2 3 and answers and send it to me in the group. That's sufficient. You no need to draw the figures and anything. Next, draw a model of a set to show each fraction. So again I'm telling you models like యాపిల్స్. ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ మీరు యాపిల్స్ తీసుకుంటారా లేకపోతే ఇంకేమైనా ఐటమ్స్ తీసుకుంటారా, వీలైతే చక్కగా ఇంట్లో ఏమైనా పెసరపప్పు మినపప్పు అలాంటివి ఏమైనా ఉంటే చక్కగా డిజైన్ చేసి వాటితో కూడా మీరు చేసి చూపించవచ్చు. రైస్ పెట్టుకుని చక్కగా చేసి అవి చక్కగా ఫోటో తీసి పంపించండి, బాగుంటుంది. Now fractions on a number line. See that one whole only which in the previous slide మనం ప్రీవియస్ స్లైడ్ ఏం తీసుకున్నాం, ఒకే హోల్ని సపరేట్ చేసుకున్నాం. ఇక్కడ అన్నీ ఒకే దగ్గర రాసుకున్నాం చూడండి, ఒక హోల్. సో దాన్ని 2 ఈక్వల్ పార్ట్స్ చేస్తే 1/2 1/2. అదే వన్ హోల్ని ఇక్కడ గ్రీన్ కలర్లో చూస్తే 3 ఈక్వల్ పార్ట్స్ చేసాం. సో ఈచ్ పార్ట్ విల్ బి 1/3. బ్లూ కలర్లో 4 పార్ట్స్ ఈక్వల్ చేసాం. అదే క్వశ్చన్, హౌ మెనీ పార్ట్స్ ఆర్ దేర్, హౌ మెనీ పార్ట్స్ ఆర్ దేర్, హౌ మెనీ పార్ట్స్ ఆర్ దేర్. సో చూడండి, దిస్ క్లాస్ ఈస్ కంప్లీట్లీ లైక్ worksheets only for you all. Like the same way 12th part 1/12 1/12, that means how many parts are there in the last one, 12 parts are there. Now fractions on a number line, there are numbers between 0 and 1. So 0 and 1, so what observe here, how many spaces are there from 0 to 1. 0 నుంచి 1 కి మధ్య ఎన్ని స్పేస్ ఉన్నాయి, 1 2 3 4 spaces are there. That means how many parts are divided here, totally 4 parts are divided. So first will be 0 and 0/4, next 1/4, next 2/4, next 3/4, next 4/4. 4/4 will give us as 1 whole kada, చెప్పు కదా, 4 equal parts 4 upper part, both are same means it is whole. Nothing is there means 0/4 means 0. So once again telling you 0, 1/4, 2/4, 3/4 and 4/4. 4/4 is nothing but 1. So that is the question they asked to write. I am sending you this entire PDF to you. You only check like every page and answer the question of in every page. What are the fractions shaded on the number line? First one, what is the shaded on the number line? Nothing is shaded, so answer is 0. Second one, how much is shaded? You can understand that. Yes, 1/2. So remaining questions I am not explaining you. You try to do by your own. Fractions on unlabeled number line. See, previous one is given as labeling 0, 1/2, 2/2. So you can easily write first one 1/2, second one is 1/4, like this you can easily write. But now in the question nothing is given as labeled. That means numbers are not given. You have to understand here. I'll explain you second one. So first one, if you take 0, first 1 2 3 4 equal spaces are there. So 0/4, 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, 4/4. So how many parts are shaded here? 3 parts out of 4 parts. So 3/4 is the answer. So complete the remaining also. Fractions are unnumbered number line. Same here also. Count the spaces. First one 1 2. So just like previous question. In this question, they didn't give shaded. They gave you points. Point A where is, point B where is that, point C where is that, point D is where is that. Write the missing fractions. Write the missing fractions. So check out how many are there totally. Spaces 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 parts are there. So 0/8, 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8, 5/8, 6/8, 7/8, 8/8. 8/8 is nothing but 1. So that's another question. You do it and send me. Draw your own number line and label it. So this is your own wish, same model. You complete it and you can send me the next. So this is completely a basics concept, children. You try to understand and complete this worksheet and send it to me to this class. Then I'll move on to the next class, like what is proper fraction, improper fraction, mixed fraction, whole number. This all we'll discuss. Okay. So in the next class I'll tell you, because in the first class you are supposed to complete these two. So then all I can understand. But I'm sending you the complete. I'll sending you this entire 20 pages of this slide. You please complete by your own. Okay. Thank you, children. Have a good day.